Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create or get back devices and printers shortcuts in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you have typed it, the best match would appear. Click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Once you are being navigated here with the settings, at the left side of that, you can see there a list of the option. Here, you need to look for an option called Bluetooth and devices. So click on it or tap on it, and the moment you have tapped on it, you would be able to bring up the Bluetooth and devices settings. Where here, you need to proceed on devices. So click on devices, and the moment you've clicked on it, here, you need to scroll down to the bottom of that, and there you can see an option called More Devices and Printer Settings. So all you need to do is you need to click this forward arrow, and the moment you've clicked on it, these devices and printers would appear. Okay, we're here. You need to minimize or close the settings window first so that we can focus on this one. So if you haven't yet, if you haven't adjust the size of the print devices and printers first, in your case, you have to adjust it. You can click on this icon to adjust it and adjust the size so that it's very easy for us to drag this icon to our desktop to create a shortcut. Okay, so once you have adjusted the size of your devices and printers window, you need to do a left click and locate the cursor. Okay, you need to locate the cursor here on this icon, do a left click and press and hold this icon until you would be able to drag it here at the desktop. Once you're done, release that, and there you have that. You have just successfully create a devices and printers shortcut in your Windows PC. So you can now close this, and here you can access these devices and printers in your desktop. So you can double tap to it, and there you would be able to see all the devices and printers present in your Windows or computer. So the devices is composed of Bluetooth device, the microphone, as well as the speakers, as well as your computer name, okay, as well as here the printers. It has different version or devices, okay. So you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.